This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Luis Medina. Gorgeous 4-bedroom home with 3 full baths now available and priced below market value. Home features huge open floor plan and high ceilings. Kitchen has island, huge cabinets and walk-in pantry which offers plenty of storage space. Large floor-to-ceiling windows in the living room for plenty of natural light which helps save on energy bill. Home also features 3 smart light switches that can be operated via mobile phone and door locks can be operated remotely as well. Upgrades: new evaporator coils for both AC units, new roof in 2018, new sprinkler controller 2019, new front gate with combo entry and new mailbox. Versatile room by front door that can be used as an office, exercise room, or extra bedroom. Full bath downstairs that is perfect for guests. Call to schedule a tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Luis Medina at 713-884-0502.